Nezogu is here. Son of the great Shaddamite that lives amongst the angels. I am here. The people's governor. Buzz. Alright, Ibonde Omane Genti. Wonderful and great people. The mixed feelings. This very evening I bring you greetings from here. From the table, from the altar, from the place of Isiagu. Very, very controversial. Where a lot of people will not understand. And I have this question to ask right now. I need you to help me ask this question. Type for me on the comment section. That why is it that we have much kidney issues right now than before? Just help me type that question here. Why is it that we have more cases of kidney issues now, kidney related issues this time around than before? And for me, if I blame you, get offended, get so much angry with me, hate me, unfollow me if possible, but take your time when you get to your closest to reason out of these things I am saying now. If they are the truth, if there are atom of truth in them, please just pick the truth and leave me empty. The picture I attached here is the picture of Miss Dora Akunyere of blessed memory. This woman fought against certain instabilities and abnormalities across this nation. But did it work? The answer is no. I did remember when Dora Akunyere was here with us. So many of our people were against her. Iri Ji Igbo we kwuo ihe maka na ihe m chọrọ ikwu ka ọ hapụ dị ka m na-ere Ndi Igbo. Ha marụ ka esi eme understand all these monies we are looking for. All these monies we are looking for. That is pushing us to do everything for money. Please look, press central lock. All these monies we are looking for. Thank you, Ifanyi. Thank you, Ifanyi Victor. Thank you for saying fake drugs. Not only fake drugs, fake things are all over the place. I discovered that in Aba, sometimes, when you see somebody allow beer to block in the fridge, there's a way they do it. The beer will block, then they will open it, do the abracadabra they want to do. Good evening, comrade Atuluku. So I discovered they will open the beer and it will not make They will do what they want to do inside the beer, put it somewhere for it to defreeze. At the end of the day, they will double one bottle of beer to 2 bottles at the same time, and after which they will go to the market and sell it to people. They will sell it to people here. Hold on shortly, brother. Just hold on shortly. I'll treat your matter right now. I am on live at the People's Governor's page. So, watch what our people are doing. At the end of the day, you go and start selling those things. There are fake drugs everywhere. Fake medicines. Fake wine. So many things fake. Man, after you must have dealt with people. Their health is what you are using to make that your selfish money. And tomorrow you say, any winch in my village die. You are a national winch. You know how people can do everything for money. They can do everything. When I mean everything, they can do everything just to get money. And most times I laugh. I had a complaint. Somebody complained to me. Somebody, a fan, chatted me and told me about a kidney issue. I was pained because the monies to do this kidney transplant is something I don't have personally. I don't think I can. I don't have such money. I would have paid before telling you. You see what our people are doing. But at the end of the day, you go back to your village and they will give you chieftaincy title. Onwa Buruburu. In our social media supporting abnormalities, bribing people to do nonsense. You are causing havoc all corner in the name of looking for money. Kidney issues, kidney related issues here and there. Have you imagined that these things does not happen like that in Yoruba land? Are you aware of this thing? You know why? The Yorubas, they eat more of these fake things also. But guess what? They believe in Abo. They believe in Abo. So they will drink Abo to flush it. But in your own side as an Igbo person, your herbs again does not work. Your DBs, they left the herbs. Our fathers, our forefathers gave us. Right now, they are doing okay. They are misbehaving. All this while now, when we are talking about Mbaka and Ebukobi, the native doctors, they felt they are relieved. And they are using the opportunity to make money. You get it, right? So the Yorubas, they are not suffering the kidney issues we are having around here. We are having more of kidney issues, kidney cases here. And many of you are equally taking advantage of that. Running a charity organization, foundation, they should contribute money for you. Okay? They contribute money for you. Then you say you want to help somebody to go do kidney transplant. And then from there you save your own money to buy GLK. And they are hailing you everywhere you go. Funny enough, some of these monies, after you get them, you go back and tell people that you want to do quiz, you want to do this, do that. And I look at some of you and laugh. The reason why I don't talk in some of these things is because if I say it, those people waiting for your giveaway, waiting for your cash giveaway, they will not let me rest. They'll start dragging Governor Ezeoku. Although I don't care if you drag me tire, I beat you. Let me give you some sense, Ishi. That's very simple. At least 3 of us what a sense. There are kidney issues everywhere. See, God knows how to reward the wicked. That's why most times if I look at people, I did very, very quiet, they look them. Somebody was asking me this morning. No, they call no, you're not a people winch. I looked at him and laughed. Enjoy a while, I'll say, some certain spiritual things, no wicked people. I know he might watch this video, but inside me, I know this kind of person that he has not exhibited wickedness is because he has not gotten the opportunity to do so. If he has the opportunity, he will do so. Give a man power and see what he can do. Now, Dora Kujere was fighting against these things daily. Alex Oguna Ogua, thank you. This Dora Kujere was fighting against fake drugs. These fake things they are selling in the market. But many of our people then stood against her. We thought she was doing bad. So many of us, including myself, I was offended until I studied that woman and understood her. Now, fake drugs everywhere, fake things everywhere. See, tell yourself the gospel truth. There are things you eat now. There are things you buy from stores, supermarkets now and eat now. You start having running stomach immediately. Many of you have encountered these things. Do you know this this salad cream? I bought one salad cream because salad cream and I like Attire bread instead of butter. No, don't worry, I'm not going fast, sir. Thank you for reminding me to put on seatbelt. Thank you, Alex. So I bought that cream, that salad cream. I bought it. Fine. Do you know that that salad cream I bought was fake? Salad cream was fake until I smelled it and I had to go back and open the old one I had in the house already. Just rub it between my 2 fingers and see. The texture was not the same. Fake everywhere. Southeastern. There are some houses you get to Naba and they make custard and they produce custard in Imolo. No due process. Igbo people. But after you must have done these things, you come online and run a giveaway and people will be clapping for you. Then some of us, if we confront you, they will tell us that I am Ndi Igbo. Ndigbo. There's a video I'm going to be posting one of these days. You will see where an ex-leader of Federal Republic of Nigeria, he had the man who could that place against Ndi Igbo. Forget your hatred. Just pick few things there. Pick few things out of here the man who could. Though Oku against Ndi Igbo in that video, but go and watch this man. This man was making point and sense about our people. An Igbo man, he had China with his brother. Or go his brother Wayona China and come back here. All over this place, Onyenke also H3 finds his way back to Nigeria. Before Oya Lota Nigeria, the other one Agagogati Omuni Harose. No disturb Okwania. Nayani Omorosi business. Onye Jisarusi we kwechiri may accept. These are the traditions you want to go back to. Do you know that ordinary herbs we have here, the original herbs we have here, can stop these kidney issues, kidney related issues we have here? But who are those people that can give you the original herbs you need? Many of them now, they've left those herbs now. They are now doing abracadabra. They are now selling their calabash kit up and down. Then we, the youth that are supposed to be talking, or to even confront the truth, or at least grab the bull by the horn, we are busy online, on social media, looking for how to destroy people's family, how to come into issues, cases that they did not call us, while our own families have more issues. You in your family, you have more issues. Me, I have more issues. Have we been able to solve our own? Because in Kanye, in the public, and we are now ambassadors of truth, but things are spoiling. A bag of cement is 11,500 naira. What are you doing about it? Go and check our bloggers. How many of them are blogging about that? How many of them are complaining? They think they will sleep on the sky, or although maybe they are planning, if they go back to the Omenala, they will be able to build red mud house. Fake things everywhere. Who are we doing these things to? Our people. You are producing fake medicine. You are selling it to your people. There is a case I want you to hear now. There is a case I want you to hear. And Igbo man, Onyanambra, Ndanambra, woo, woo. Man, most of the cases, no, na brothers, but they carry and they call my table. I'm around. Hold on, shortly. I'll call you. I'm on live video. I'm around. Just hold on. Most of the cases, many cases in Nanu, they go one day Diego, only can you go Kejigo Tariamoto na Kotonu. Oh, boy, your brothers. Hear this one, though. The both of them are from the same place. The same place. Orego got Kotonu by himself, bought a car. Where Diego, where the motor may hand over to his brother. His brother sold that car since 2021. And ate the money. Check all the cases. Check all the bad names. For those fools, those zombies, see na Ebuko be na come bribe to speak for him. Ebobo wagishi. Emanana mabata go 4 million. The guy, you know, got Attire matter. About the money where here. I recovered and you people sees it in a Janaga abo affair. And another blogger is telling you that I can get governors 100,000 or 200,000. Yeah, with me. That is, I didn't know to respond because many of you have common sense. That is why you will never accept the gospel truth. Because I did not join you to fight unnecessarily or maybe to attack whom you want me to attack. Does that make me a bad person? Yeah. Tell them governor. Tell them governor say you should bring it. Now I'll give you money. You see? And I look at them and laugh. They were there. I went and chased the native doctor out of his shrine. How many of you will the morale? How many? How many? This governor is okay for you. You think, and I know just the way you think that in the Akabu and sins. Is that what? Just ask your conscience question. But everything I've done to Umudibia. They never buy me. Now you. All your comments gave him a cookie. Most of the challenges, most of the complaints, Most of the complaints comes from your place. The temptations on my table be on your own, you fall. Hey, should I show you evidence? Do you know that animated on somebody that won millions into my account? So that he will ask me for the money. And I'll wait on that, I'll transfer the money back. Not be 5 million. I do this steady. That brother from the US whom I posted this picture here, whom I wished a happy birthday, and I shared 100,000 naira on this page. Did you know that guy has put in at least close to 17 million naira in my account? That money stayed for 4 months and 3 weeks before he asked me for that money. Even when you're a blogger, Ijiru yagazo keke gati yenoso. Ijiru yagazo mini boss gati. Ijiru yagazo tipa kwechiri kagani habo bagareba because he's in the US. But I held that money today. This is a video he's watching it. I held that money 4 months and he didn't even for the very first 1 month. You'll be afraid. But hence it exceeds 1 month. It's not easy. It's not easy. Even a problem, you need to fuel your car, you need to buy a charge car, you need to do so many things. Then upon all these things, you refuse to get sense. When a cook is telling you that Zion will pay me bribe to defend the Bukobi, I was only defending my states. I was only defending my states. Where your man, where Sultan can't spoil for my state. Chineke about why Ishi no good that place. Then Aru priest. The cassock, you can wear it. You can wear cassock. What be the difference between you and Reverend Father Sultan? And that he went to school and read Canal law. Is that all? Bro, wait, can I make my video, then I will come and drive Gawazi the other place. That's the only thing that made him higher than you. White. The man lie against Soludo, said Soludo no go become governor. You don't see the video online? Didn't Soludo win? The lies that this man is the prayer answer, did it work? So many lies, abnormalities, you saw it. Ndi Igbo here with Oni Igbo. Don't say because not so language. One day he can sell you off. Hear this complaint. The same people who then attack a look of an Ezeko. Yeah, look at them and who may cook, who much cut take one. Dara, mad people.
Hello, sir.
Hello, brother.
Yeah.
You are the person who called me and complained something, right? About a car.
Yes.
Okay. Ibonye ebe one I fellow made you get that time. Onyopa, Anambra State.
Anambra State. The same town Kamula has to go in the contact.
Okay. So tell me what happened. The general public, they are listening to you now.
Okay.
May I brief?
Okay. Then travel to Cotonou because when my friend is there. So the madam my friend, Potero to go to Abuko. She had on the same meeting. So when I put a price, or that never made a transport or can't get the money. So when tomorrow, another was here. So I don't know to the kind of person that can add another money. Now I add 50,000 naira. We tell them, I'm me way. I could not go. I'm not that money. Nobu knows where that fund all the money back. The boy put it at him. He got one man now where I landed. Now I better have people name. Mucho. You have a member, man. I want to win just a thing, but I want to move just where. God, the other thing. That's it.
Okay. And image an arrow say I overheard you saying image an arrow.
Yes, that's my arrow.
Since 2021.
2021.
Okay. Ndaro
so Ndaro si be yeme ya je road moto. No so offend and bonnet maybe na. O si ati ego na ko yeri je we ro so 200,000. Ati o to offend and bonnet ki 200,000. Ati yes. Ati how many weeks ke yen ko ro moto agute. Project me what to go for beta. no 30 minutes, but I believe that not 3 months. I went to know the more on the web, I went down to Attire. The more I must pass that motor, I can open out that motor, number of the then them the month that time. Go over like away. And yet, a month and 3 weeks. A month and 2 weeks, now we take the money. My appetite motor cafe. Since I wrote that, after
that.
Yes.
What other action did they take after then?
Then after the I don't know what you can do with it. Not that before the date, I never another extra 1 month without my notice. Oh, my dad is never that day. I'm here. There's a hundred extra 1 month. Bamba, but as you are, no care about him. Now, chief for that for going. Now, 1 month, much as 1 month, I don't know what the hell or then cover the next million. Then 1 month, Rubangaba or that. I buy a phone for 50 calls. I think the one nature, about Java. I got me a will take go take up the egg. Then never see a name to about the egg. The letter in a week time or 2 weeks time. No, not that today, not about now about the egg, the more I see. That's about what? That's about what? So that's it. The never got the
since that day, how to so bugia. Okay. Total money me for ni how to say ogadigi ko we go ne.
Okay. Total money.
You have 1 minute remaining.
One of them card self.
Check here, man. I got almost 1 million.
Almost 1 million I can dar sin right.
I'm telling you, I'm supposed to say about
okay, call me back, please. Call me back. I cannot buy airtime from this same phone I'm using now. Did you hear that in the the same Upo? It is a shame that I'm coming from Imo State to help you. Then upon that, you see me as your enemy. Upon both the Dibia who collected all these monies from him, they are all from where? Let me ask him. Hello, brother.
All right, sir.
Okay, so anyway, one intelligent question I need to ask you now.
All right.
Ndi Igbo, where are they from? From the same Igbo. Okay. No problem. The young man, send the other picture of the young man and his phone number.
Yes.
Okay, please send me his information right now on WhatsApp.
All right.
This is my WhatsApp line. I hope you're getting sense, right? The shrine people are from the same Anambra, the same Upo. The person who defrauded him is also from Upo. Now, pick a point from here. The young man went at the back to meet with Indians and Haji Simmo. Stupid people, dirty people. The difference between a full-blown madman at the market square and your so-called chief priest is just environment. Your chief priest is also mad. Just that OG madness in Kiane. Then the mad person at the market to but if you check these people, the difference between these two groups are the rougher. But you know that somebody from Upo will use his phone to call Governor idiot on the phone on the internet like this. Since 2021, he paid for a vehicle. He bought a car. They twisted him after 1 month. The guy was here again. The motor able to get a motor accident. Be again. He would pay 300,000. Or got your money. RC did not do anything. Do you know how many persons? The same way the churches are faking you. Most of the churches. I don't say all. I don't want to accuse the name of the Lord. That is the same way 99.9% of the DBS are fools. They are defrauding you. See, hey, listen. These things I'm doing, I got the opportunity to use them to make money. I not just they. I didn't fucking. I not just sit down like human being. You're not gonna understand. But I choose to use it to save you. Has it worked for me? Have you appreciated it? Have you appreciated it? Do you know that as at day before yesterday, I spoke to somebody in South Africa. He complained of something which I never had the money to pay for such thing for him. Do you know that I called somebody? The person I called self, because I fear zombie. I called him and I begged him. See, Abiko brother, Myola get anything before sim no. Myogo get anything before sim no. Have I ever asked you for anything personally? He said no. Onunchano de awasi. Mweya chaya see Abiko. Bara monya ticket from South Africa kojelotaya. Oh, you see me and this thing I will appreciate. Osen governor, no problem. Ka can't I see where Tirega. Ticket or go no see an mama or send a can't forward or I'm joy go no. The moment injury her way up, but I can't forward all there. Or why are the guy the money? Although the guy have Obem no Batala Nigeria, but fraud or young mama. But I have done what I need to do. Did I post him? Because Nigeria Sagabu were in boss, and that was why he told me, nah, shut it up there. Let it end there. And I did. Manonya Mpore this thing now. Only send the Rego ticket now from South Africa to come back here. We're going to ticket him. He paid on behalf of Governor Zoku. That same word it has nothing. Now somebody just commented here, Alex Senior. He said, Governor, I'm going through a lot abroad, and my fellow brother and Igbo person is doing me this all this while. Those guys in Cotonou, no trust them. Oh, your community person, your compound person, no trust them. Oh, NUJ Motors, for example, boy criminal. Now live video they tell you now. Oh, boy, no shots no bus here be Nigeria. NUJ Motors, boy criminal. Okurora promoted him. Because no Okurora motor, no any Okurora never had time again to go and verify the kind of person this young man. Or to Nigeria to go how are you complain, carry. A criminal, picture a guy fear. I just shouted on a man today to show you how brutal Nigerians said it. Let me show you this. There was this man, I know him from nowhere. For off and then I fought Nako nonsense, dirty people. And one goes to Draghi, shut up! Shut up your mouth if it's not working for you. Shut up! Brothers, this guy, time this number. You see this number? Because I don't know his name, I had to save it with Oyeman PH. This man followed me here and came to me. Because my own issues, I know they complain I'm online. This man came to me here. Also about Alien Oil and Logistics. This man came to me complaining how things CJ3 hard and all that. Ogwan business also Omega, had a lift to oil, Buruga, culture studies here. You know that, brothers, this man now that is ignoring my chat complained of 200,000 naira. Do you know that I transferred 200,000 naira? Even at that point, I could not make transfer. I had to go to one of my friends, name POS. See, I transfer only 200,000 naira. I will give you back. From that day till now, most times the man doesn't pick my call. In Port Harcourt, he lives at the NTA road. I know him from nowhere. The man area my 200,000. Did I talk? I ignore. I just look at. Oh, sometimes I chat on this forward other voice notes. These are Ndi Igbo. Mekanosu Igbo. Go no Imo State. God Almighty bear me witness. At that point, I was not the one who sent him that money, because my money is hanged everywhere. I went to Onyeneme POS. Wait, make I show you evidence. May I show you evidence? Lay the evidence here. Lay the evidence here. Governor Zoku transferred 200,000 to somebody I didn't know. He had the money. And another guy Jim 1,640,000. Abi 1,640,000. Ndokako 1,640,000. I do business with him. I carry goods to give him. The guy chop the money. Onye Igbo anyị here. Man, if you come na ayo that day, you na nwunye soro na ayo. Eburu mu ngwa ya we bunye onye a. O chef for that. I do business with people. That money you are seizing, Do you know it will affect Governor Ezioku? I look at him and laugh. Man, if onye ke 200,000. Now say for ya chita wunnirie because ngbada me ewa and I am dealing with him oma. Inofi seafood, Elion logistics and oil. Okoko. Otoderi now. Oma no me ngbada na me make it here because it is not my money. I just walked to a POS. God Almighty bear me witness. Look at the receipt now. Look at the receipt. 200,000. I don't know him before. Now this page, now this Facebook, now from Noah. I don't want to talk about my other sacrifices around him. He ate the money. Ndi Igbo. Another person, 1,640,000 naira. He ate that money. Another person, I told me 150, 100, 300, 400. I don't want to talk about those ones. Ndi Igbo. If they will come and beg you, Jicho Loma, you see them. Be careful at that point. The reason why I'm using myself also for as an example now is to make you understand. It's just to make you understand the kind of people we have. Now this young man from Upo, onye rego moto na Kotonu na Kabo onye Upo, the person will go ya wa yoriegria. But Governor Ezioku will talk, you will. I will look at you and laugh. Dibia, now you get the headquarter. The Odibia don't do anything. You ain't say more dirty and stupid people never have common sense. Then I'll be telling you what kind of these people for where. Governor is the only person you can fight. Go on, Tom. Governor is the only person you can fight. Bimbo. This is what our people are doing steady. Do you know the worst now? Now somebody here will go visa your mother. Where Germany, for example, this person will collect money for Germany visa. Before you know it, they will tell you that Germany has failed, or you come and manage so country. They will use idea and push you to India. India, okay, you manage on the Chagan, Kuronopi Weka. So you may make it though. Your fully Igbo brother will drive you to Opi Weka. You know, don't tie your hair. Hair no na senti Ishi na adaposhi. Who is dealing with you? Ndi Igbo. But you're in the church praying enemy. Bah, bah, bah. You can't get, you mistakenly eat those fake things. They will tell you na obozi native doctor. Menka na every witch none of your family. You run to pastors, they will chop you there again. You see how foolish we are. There's an adage our Igbo people always give. They says, the wise man was later buried at the backyard of a selfish man. So after being all this wise and smart, you squeezed out your time, produce fake things, fake food, fake wine, fake beer. You sold it around your own territory also. Even if you are shipping it to Lagos, believe you me, some people will go there and buy it and bring it back home. When Ndi Igbo can Ishi Lagos or be Abagoa and Ababurula Lagos. Are you aware of this thing I'm telling you? But you always think that people will always come from this far to come and buy. Who told you? It is happening.